Hello and welcome. We are trying to create this graph today. It's a version of a dumbbell chart, but with 3 time points. It shows the chocolate price index raise from 2015, where it was kind of normalized at around 100, and then the prices in 2020 and 2025 for different European countries. I like this graph because it is simple and it's also clear what the message is. The prices are rising, and you see in one glimpse where in which countries this is more a bigger increase and where it's not. So let's get to it. I already have the data here. We are starting with a clustered bar chart. We are putting the country on the y-axis and then the 3 prices as bars here. So we have the price 2015, 2020, and 2025. So first of all, we need to make the bars overlap, and then we make it transparent. So let's get to it. We want to go to the layout section here, turn overlap on, and increase the space here until it's fully overlapped. Okay, now we need to make all bars transparent. That's right. So the markers we will get via arrow bars. So for 2015, we are putting the 2015 price here in the options to have an arrow bar. You see you get a marker here. We will change the marker to be a circle, and the upper field, oh, I did it wrong. It needs to be the lower bound 2015 and the upper bound to be 2025. So the next one is we just have an upper bound here. We turn it on, make the marker. We can add the marker here to be the color. What did we have? We did have blue here. No, what did we have as a marker? Oh, we had it purple. So let's do it here in purple. Let's do this. Yeah, okay, that's fine. And now we need to have the 2025 upper bound, and we need to enable this, set the marker to A, and we had it blue there, so let's make it blue here. Okay, so that's the basics here. We have the prices. We could change it here. It's a little trick to get here the dot here. You can always include emojis here, so you can take it. It's the price of 2025, and then we will have the purple price, and then we will have here the blue one. Okay, let's see it. So we have the basics here. I tweak the x-axis a little bit to are here in this range, and then I turned it off because I will add data labels here. So I want to have no data labels for the middle value. Then I will have the inside end. Somehow we need to change here the color to make it visible. And for the 2025, I think it's fine already. So that basically is it. I did also design a tooltip looking at the country, then the three values, and I also included some measures to have the change between the different time points here, and we can just set it so that we have some more information here. That's it. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.